What's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Larry Sharma. Today is 4th March 2015 and the time is 10:30. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to present a rap and I've made a special kick pattern for that in just 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to start that now. Okay. I got into my beast mode, rapping because I eat those. I tell a girl, take a deep breath, then bend me like a free throw. I don't want me a good girl, I fell in love with a beautiful. In a garden, I make a movie starring me with a lead rose. With a ball hard like D-rolls. My stash in pocket, racks in my pocket. These racks I deposit. Got racks on my conscience, got racks on my mind. I got shooters on my team, they got parties on their night. Look at that damn girl right there, see their parties on their night. I am swimming in no, oh you know I'm probably on that grind. All those raps ain't on me, but I ain't on that time. Cause I probably in the back, nigga. I'm talking about the side, I'm talking 62 West. They say ad is too fresh, shorty say loving my swag. I make that garden too wet, and you go there and my host, I'm like, why they do that? That. Woo!